It's crucial to understand these terms in order to understand security governance. Vision. This is a statement that paints a picture of an organization's long-term aspirations or desired future state. Mission. It defines the purpose and primary objectives of an organization, outlining its reason for existence and what it seeks to achieve. Policy. These are high-level principles or rules established by an organization to guide decision-making and actions, aligning with its mission and objectives. Strategy. This refers to a plan or approach designed to achieve specific objectives or goals, often involving the allocation of resources and coordinated actions. Once a policy has been agreed or adopted formally, a strategy outlines how that policy is implemented. Goals are broad, overarching targets or outcomes that an organization aims to accomplish within a defined time frame. Goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, in short, SMART. Objective. These are reasons behind any action. If you can answer why you are doing something, you know the objective behind doing it. Guideline. Recommendations or best practices intended to inform decision-making and actions, providing flexibility while ensuring alignment with policies and objectives. Procedure. These are detailed, step-by-step instructions or processes that prescribe how specific tasks or activities should be performed to achieve desired outcomes, often derived from policies and guidelines. Understanding these terms is crucial for effective security governance. Let's now try to define security governance. Security governance is all about how a company handles its security rules and procedures. This includes making sure that these rules and procedures match up with what the company wants to achieve. It's like the company's way of keeping its information safe and on track with its goals. Security governance requires a governance committee. A governance committee comprises executives and leaders who convene regularly to establish the course for the company's security operations and offer advice to ensure the alignment of the security function with the company's broader mission and business strategy. These committees assess both ongoing and upcoming projects, operational metrics, and any security-related issues that affect the entire business. The main goal of a governance committee is to supervise the company's security operations, ensuring they consistently meet the organization's requirements and the expectations of its stakeholders. Security governance plays a major role in organizational processes such as merger, when your organization shakes hand and combines with another organization, acquisition, where your company buys part or whole of another company, and divestiture, where your company gives away or sells part of the company to a different owner. There are several security concerns. Certain employees may be disgruntled, which is a fancy way of saying angry. New vulnerabilities may get incorporated during the process, and so on. Security governance guides these operations, attempting to keep risks at acceptable level. Intellectual property. 5 categories I would like to highlight are licensing, patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. Licensing. Licensing is a legal agreement that grants permission to use intellectual property, IP, rights owned by someone else. It outlines the terms and conditions under which the licensee, user, can utilize the licensor's IP, such as software, patents, trademarks, or copyrighted material. Licensing agreements can be exclusive or non-exclusive, and they typically involve payment of royalties or fees by the licensee to the licensor. Patents. A patent is a form of intellectual property that grants exclusive rights to an inventor or assignee for a specified period, typically 20 years from the filing date. It provides the patent holder with the right to exclude others from making, using, selling, or importing the patented invention without permission. Patents are granted for inventions that are novel, useful, and non-obvious, and they cover processes, machines, manufactured items, and compositions of matter. Trademarks. A trademark is a recognizable sign, symbol, word, or phrase that distinguishes products or services of one party from those of others. It serves as a source identifier and helps consumers to identify and choose products or services based on their quality and reputation. Trademarks can be registered with government authorities to obtain legal protection, but unregistered trademarks may still have common law protection based on use in commerce. Copyrights. Copyright is a form of intellectual property that grants exclusive rights to creators of original works, such as literary, artistic, musical, or dramatic creations. It provides the copyright holder with the exclusive right to reproduce, distribute, perform, display, and create derivative works based on the original work. Copyright protection is automatic upon the creation of the work and generally lasts for the author's lifetime plus an additional 70 years. Trade secrets. Trade secrets are confidential information that provides a competitive advantage to a business or organization. They can include formulas, processes, methods, techniques, or any information that is not generally known or easily ascertainable by others. Unlike patents, trademarks, or copyrights, trade secrets do not require registration. Instead, they rely on maintaining secrecy and implementing reasonable measures to protect confidentiality. Thanks for watching.